What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So after a long wait, ColorOS team have rolled out ODialer version 16 on Play Store. And with this latest version of ODialer, almost everything works perfectly fine on OnePlus smartphones running OxygenOS 16 or OxygenOS 15. I know a lot of users have been waiting for OnePlus stock dialer, but guys, other than slight UI changes and some missing AI features, almost everything is present on ODialer, including things like call recording. So in this video, let's take a look at the new version of ODialer, which is version 16. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here on the table, we have two phones. Towards the left hand side, we have OnePlus Nord 5 and towards the right hand side, we have OnePlus 13. On this device, which is OnePlus 13, I've installed ODialer, the latest version. You can see the version which is 16.0.0. And here on this device, which is OnePlus Nord 5, we have OnePlus stock dialer, though this is version 15, but devices like OnePlus 13 have already received OnePlus stock dialer version 16. See, now installation is quite easy. If you have participated in the beta program, you will be able to find that application in the Play Store. Just go to the Play Store and search for ODialer. If you don't find the application, or if you see something like this which says looking for ODialer, I'll try to provide the link in the description below. Just apply for the beta program and wait for some time. You should find the ODialer in the Play Store itself. If you take a look at the UI now, in the UI of ODialer, we have similar stuff on the top side which consists of all call logs and missed calls. Previously we had this similar stuff, and other than that you will see slight changes in the UI, like on OnePlus stock dialer it says calls, and on this ODialer it says phone. Towards the bottom side we have similar stuff, calls and contact option. If you go to the contact option, you can see the entire UI is exactly same here also. And if you take a look at the icons of both the applications, that's also exactly same. But one good thing is, after this latest update of ODialer, the block list works fine, previously which had issues. And you don't even have to disable the Google dialer. Soon you install the ODialer, just select the ODialer as default application and that's it. You don't need to disable or remove the Google dialer application. But still, if you guys want, you can just long press on it, go to the app info, and from here you can disable the application. On OnePlus stock dialer, you'll get this additional option of beacon link, which you won't find it here in the ODialer. But by going to the settings and beacon link, from here you can still use the beacon link feature. You don't need that option in the ODialer. So here you can see on OnePlus 13 where we have installed ODialer. If I go to the beacon link and tap on this number, which is my Airtel number, and insert it on OnePlus Nord 5. If I tap on call, I'll receive the call over here. So don't have to worry about the beacon link. You can easily use this feature if you want to by going inside the settings. Then we have similar options like scan card, block and filters, manage contacts, settings. Scan card also works fine on ODialer. I did scan a card and the details were easily extracted. After that, block and filter is also working fine. I personally tested it out. After blocking my primary number, I wasn't getting any kind of calls on the device having ODialer. So this thing have also been taken care by ColorOS team. So the outgoing call UI did not get any kind of changes. It looks exactly same, and you can also use the feature of clear voice while making calls from ODialer. And you have things like recorder, which lets you record the call without any kind of announcement. Video calls doesn't work. It says video calls not supported by other party, and it's the same story on OnePlus stock dialer. I think it's something career related. The other things which are missing here, and that's the AI call assistant. So AI call assistant feature, you won't get it here on ODialer. With the upcoming updates, hopefully ColorOS team manages to add features like call summary or AI translate, but we are not exactly sure about it. And one more thing which is not working, and that's the ongoing call in the live alert. So this thing is still not been implemented, wherein my OnePlus 13 is running OxygenOS 16 stable version. But still you can see, if I exit the call icon appears in the status bar, but not in the live alert form. This is how the call will appear. If you're using the device, you have this slight transparent background, and if you tap on it, this is how it appears in the full screen. And once you pick up, you have this similar UI. You don't miss out on the SMS reply features. You get few basic commands, and you still have an option to add the custom command. And also the delay issue which we used to see on previous build, that have also been taken care. So if I tap on call and enable speaker, you can see before even if you hear the ring, this screen lights up on OnePlus 13 which is running ODialer. So guys, currently if you are the one who wants to record the calls, I would say you can use the ODialer, because we are not exactly sure whether OnePlus stock dialer will be coming on OnePlus smartphones or not. But right now, the ODialer seems to be quite stable with no issues like what we used to see before. You guys let me know in the comment section below how many of you guys still prefer using Google dialer or you guys use ODialer. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest build of ODialer, which is version 16. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.